Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover deleted files from Google Drive. First of all, you can open the Google Drive application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, first you will just simply delete the file by tapping on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the file, and now you can just simply scroll down. You will see the last option, that is remove. Tap on remove, and now you can tap on move to bin. And after this you can now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Now you can see the option bin. Tap on bin, and here you will see the deleted files. Now you can tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the file, and you will see the second option, that is restore. Tap on restore, and this is the way you can restore deleted files from Google Drive. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you.